The climate change is causing burdensome consequences on the planet. In the industrial age in which we live, human activities have caused a huge emission of greenhouse gases which have a direct impact on Earth's climate, and not only. Causes such as intensive farming and the use of fluorinated gases and fossil fuels. This causes consequent raising of sea levels, melting of glaciers and extreme weather conditions. These events are not objectionable. As regards present times, the Conflict and Environment Observatory, which is based in UK, is studying the situation in Ukraine and the impact of the Russian attack on the environment.
Do you think it is important to talk about climate changes, even though war is just around the corner?
There is no right time to discuss about it. Every second matters. Even in wartime like this, we should not stop worrying about it, because the issue will continue to exist. And if we avoid it, there may not be enough time to fix it.
Well, by the way, we are talking about the life of our planet. Every single one of us should do something useful about it, shouldn't we? How much do you think the actions of a single person actually matter? I feel that everybody should do their part by recycling, using their car less, eating less meat, stuff like that.
Although the action of an individual contributes to solving the problem, I think the real solution should come from above, so the government and the industries.
Do you know what a carbon footprint is?
Isn't it something like how much greenhouse gases we produce daily?
Yeah, basically it's the amount of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide that are generated through our actions or during the life cycle of a product. Thank you for your answers. Just one last thing. Do you know how much CO2 is produced by a single textbook?
Oh, actually I have no idea.
Well, I don't think it's that much, right?
Good morning. We are now with a scientist who is going to explain to us an experiment. First of all, why are we outside?
Good morning. Now we are outside because it's midday and it's sunny, so it's the hottest part of the day, and we can take advantage from the sunlight to do our experiments better.
Could you explain to us what is causing global warming and why it is happening?
Sure, let us take a practical example. What we need are common items easily available. For example, 2 glass bowls, 2 mattresses, 2 thermometers, cardboard box, bicarbonate, vinegar and water. What we need to do is to put the 2 thermometers next to the 2 mattresses and then add some water into one mattress and into the other some water and then bicarbonate and vinegar.
Why are you just using bicarbonate and vinegar?
Well, because the chemical reaction that occurs by mixing them creates an effervescent form, that is CO2.
But doesn't the gas disperse immediately?
Yes, it does. In fact, we must right away cover the glass with a plastic bag. Obviously, there will be more CO2 in the contaminated air, in the system with the contaminated air. In the other one, that's just water. The third step is now we have to heat them, and we're going to do it using a cardboard box.
Why are you using it?
Well, because it's made of an outer part upholstered in silver paper, and it is capable of containing the heat produced by sunlight. After a few minutes, we noticed that the values indicated by thermometers are different, and specifically the one in the contaminated air is higher, and this is the same that happens to our atmosphere. This means that if we do not put a brake, there will be a total abasement.
The situation of the planet at this point is critically serious. For decades, the whole humanity has perpetuated in exploiting every single hectare of our forest, every drop of petroleum. We have witnessed genocides and wars to obtaining the control over such resources. How long are we going to stand by and watch this? How far the thirst for power will push humanity onto its downfall? These are the questions that every single citizen has to reflect on. We need the support of everyone who cares about the future of our planet. While we are speaking, in the other part of the world, every 13 seconds a child dies because of a complete lack of researches. We want to overcome this issue altogether, but we have